In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Shopify store is live. Whether you've been working tirelessly to set up your Shopify store, or you're just checking to make sure everything is running smoothly, confirming that your store is live is an essential step you don't want to miss. So, let's walk through this process together, ensuring you are confident that your store is up and operational for your customers. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub of your online store management and where you'll be able to perform many of your essential administrative tasks. Now, as you look at your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. Here, you will find various options and sections designed to help you manage your store effectively. Now, focus on finding the section labeled Online Store. If you hover your cursor over this section, you'll notice an eye icon appears. This little icon is a crucial tool because it allows you to preview your site as if you were visiting it for the first time, just like one of your potential customers. So go ahead and click on this eye icon. Upon doing so, you'll be redirected to your live site. This redirection is a straightforward confirmation that your Shopify store is indeed up and running for visitors. If you wish to dig a little deeper and test out your store's domains to ensure everything is working correctly, you can do so easily. Return to your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on this to access a new set of options pertinent to various aspects of your store administration. Now, locate the Domains section in your settings. On clicking it, you'll be presented with a list of the domains associated with your Shopify store. This list is particularly useful because not only does it show you the domains you have, but it also provides the current status for each. This status gives you immediate information about whether or not your domains are correctly configured and live. To further verify each domain, click on the eye icon next to a domain you wish to test. By doing so, you will be taken to the selected domain, allowing you to affirm it is live and functioning as expected. Exploring each domain individually ensures you're aware of how each one performs, which can be highly beneficial if you have multiple domains set up for different purposes. And that's all. It's a simple yet effective process to ensure that your Shopify store is not only live, but fully operational from different domains. By following these steps, you can confidently offer a seamless experience to your customers, ensuring your online presence is both professional and accessible.